Hey everyone, welcome, welcome. Hey Mary, welcome, welcome. We'll get started shortly. Welcome everyone, we'll get started shortly. Hey Bill, welcome, Bill, welcome.
Hey, Dave.
Hello. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hey Daniel, welcome. Guys, we'll get started shortly.
What's up, Dave?
Hey, hello, hello.
I'm heading to Orlando in June. My girlfriend, she does promos like for Instagram, and
Okay.
I guess one of the hotels sent her a message and said, "Do you want to stay for 2 nights in Orlando? They'll pay for everything." Once you have some commercial on Instagram. Cool, huh? You're gonna have to bring Ricky for me this time, man.
Absolutely, absolutely. Let me know when. Let me know when, and I'll get in touch with Ricky. And
That'd be beautiful, man. That'll be a nice time.
yeah, we'll absolutely make that happen. Perhaps he can come into the office.
Yeah.
We can have some of the local traders come in and
Yeah.
have a meet and greet. Yeah.
That's always beautiful. That's always beautiful.
Yeah, just let me know when. Give me the dates.
Will do. Will do.
All right. Awesome. Awesome. We'll get started shortly. Hey, Stella. Welcome, Stella. Welcome.
Hi, David.
Hello. Hello. Hope you had a good weekend. Guys, I will get started shortly. This evening, we're going to go over cryptos, Forex, and futures, but mainly cryptos. We'll get started shortly, guys. Hey, Peter. Welcome, Peter. Welcome. Hope you had a good weekend. Hey, Tracy. Welcome, Tracy.
Hey, hey, David.
Hello. Guys, we'll get started shortly. This evening, we're going to go over cryptos, Forex, and Forex mainly. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. All right. I'm going to share my screen. I have a bit of a different screen this evening. So my trade station crashed. That's never fun. But I figured this is an opportunity to show you guys What the difference is with having the systems and how most traders trade manually. And that if you all, the idea is, if you want to get to the point where, right, you can do this manually if you have to, right? So if all else fails, the idea is if all else fails, right, you can pull up a bear chart and go to work. All right. So you guys see my screen here? All right. So that's trading view. All right. And as you guys know, the benefit we have with our systems is that it's going to draw the line, support and resistance lines automatically. Our candles, when we're in the markdown phase, going to be red, markup phase green. Okay. So a tremendous amount of when we use the system, just makes it a lot easier. Okay, but we're gonna attempt to go through the charts. Okay, and this is a good learning. This will be a good learning experience. I'm hoping TradeStation is closed. So I'm hoping to have TradeStation back up tomorrow, Monday. All right, so this is good. This is good. This is good. So we're gonna this is Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. Here is our, this is on the daily time frame. Someone has a question, or just is this just background noise? Okay.
US.
Peter, you had a question?
What are you looking for?
You have a question? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Peter. All right, I'm getting some. Okay. All right. So guys, here is support and resistance for Bitcoin. This is on the daily time frame. So as you guys know, we've got resistance right here at 45,000. Okay, so 45,000 is about right here is 45,000 right here, that resistance line, and then support is right here. Okay, we still holding. So right now Bitcoin as we speak is at 46,000 560 right, is it 46,500, let's say. Okay, so that's the current price right here. Hey Mealy, welcome. So it's holding, right? We do have a buy signal. We do have a buy signal, but it's holding in the markup phase. We would like to see short term Bitcoin break its recent high. So right here would be its recent high. Okay, so right here would be the recent high at right at 40, let's say 48,000. Okay, 48,000 and change. So it's holding. It's holding. That's what we want to see. Early stages in the markup phase, but still good. Okay. Any questions on this? Any questions on this chart right here? This is trading view. Any questions on this? All right. Sometimes you guys might have to do this. TradeStation will go down from time to time, right? And if you have to draw in everything manually. All right. So let's take a look here at pound yen. So let's do pound yen. Is anyone still in pound yen? Anyone?
I'm in it right now for small trades, but I'm in it now. It broke a small resistance, and it's pretty much holding. So I did small trades.
Okay. On what time frame, Daniel?
Smaller time frames. I hopped on the 5 minute.
Oh, the 5 minute. You're a brave man. All right, let's see here. 5 minute. Let's see here. 5 minute. You shorten it? Oh, hold on. Let's see here. You can tell I don't use this a lot. I'm blind without TradeStation. All right. Hold on. Hold on.
No, it's because you got Ethereum and USD.
What's that?
I said you showing Ethereum and USD. You gotta
Yeah, I'm trying to
back
find
on.
pound.
Try to do it again. I think.
Yeah. Hold on.
The search.
Where's the search? I don't. You
Right
guys
there.
can
So,
tell.
no, it's supposed to be right here. Yeah, right there. Where you at? Erase
All
that
right.
and then press down.
Let's see here.
Yep. And then just click on one of those.
All right, you got. Okay, hold on. This is the 5 minute.
Yeah, if it's really big, so you go to the bottom right, Dave, all the way in the bottom where you see that sun. You see the sun in the bottom right?
Right here?
Yep, click that. And then click automatic, where is it? You're supposed to have, it says automatic size it. Like you gotta size it.
Oh my goodness. You got to do all of that.
Yeah, it says auto fits in the screen.
Hold on, Lisa. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Hold on.
You gotta zoom out of it.
Yeah. You see, guys, see why I don't use this? Okay. All right, let's go back here. All right.
Here we
Okay.
go.
All right. What time frame is this? Let's get.
That's for 5 minutes.
That's the 5 minute. Oh my God. And you trading on this? What?
Oh yeah.
Okay. And you trading it which direction, Daniel?
Oh, for buys.
Yeah, okay. All right. So let's get off this.
Right now, yeah, right now it's pretty much ranging in the 1 hour time frame. Says ranging a little bit, and it's holding on to a good resistance. So, you just wait it out, take a couple of pips, 30, 35, 40, and then get out.
We could see a move, another buy. Okay, we could see another buy on in the yen pairs, but I'll just be careful. All right. So yeah, if you're gonna trade it on the smaller time frame.
Yeah, I'm trading small though. I'm basically doing like $100 trades. I'm not gonna lie to you. I learned my lesson.
Okay.
When it's not trending, I learned my lesson. Not to dump $1,000 thinking it's gonna go up.
So yeah, we're seeing here, it looks like, and I'm not too familiar with this. Okay, so it looks like Bitcoin, Ethereum is up 1.5%.
45,800, 45,800 popped up all.
Okay. Any other pairs you guys are trading?
Yeah, Dave. The US 30 doesn't open till tomorrow, right?
No, it should open. It should have opened at 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I was just yeah, I haven't been, I'm not gonna trade that yet, but I've been watching like market structure on it and just seeing how it moves and just getting familiar on it, you know, for the future, not now, but just seeing how it moves. That's all. I've been checking it out. US 30.
Yeah, if you do that, do it on a smaller time. A 30 minute is good on that.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah. Any symbols you guys want to take a look at? This is all I've got, guys. This is all I've got this evening here. I'm
Everybody
flying
says,
blind.
Train station.
I'm flying blind. I don't know how trade, and I used to do this. This is what I did years ago, not with TradingView. But I don't know how traders, I don't know how they do this. I'm just not, you know, I mean, you have to manually draw in your support and resistance lines as the price moves. It's just, I can't see the pairs that are trending. You know, I can't see the pairs that are trending. I don't know which group is trending up or trending down in Forex. Yeah, I am totally blind. And I
Did
just
your
want
trade station go down, or is it everybody's trade station?
just mine.
Oh,
'Cause,
okay.
yeah, I spoke with a few traders. They're fine. Yeah, it's just mine. It just completely crashed. Yeah, so hopefully we'll have it back up tomorrow.
Well, it looks like the Aussie is coming up now. There's a new up on the Aussie NZD, so that's a new up. So it looks like the Aussie pairs are coming up, and the USD is the USD probably coming up. I see a new up here. I see a couple of blues.
Which guys, help me out here. So what pairs are you trading so I can help you guys analyze it? Because this is all I've got. So any pairs that you guys are in?
Hey, David.
Or looking or pairs that you're looking to trade? Hey, Peter.
Can we just talk about the Russian ruble? I just want to discuss that a little bit. The Russian central bank just announced they're going to tie the ruble to gold.
Oh,
so
okay.
the last this is big news. So the last 3 days, the rubles has been gaining strength against the dollar. So if you can pull up USD RUBLE, I just want to
Peter, I'm actually in a Facebook group. I don't go there too much, but I logged in yesterday and all these traders were talking about that gold is about to skyrocket.
Yeah, that's why I kind of wanted, because this is very interesting because of this war thing. It doesn't happen often, but we're seeing just a quick decision, how it influenced not only the currency of the ruble, how it influences the value of gold, what it does to the world market. It's just such a quick decision by the Russian bank. Decide, hey, we're going to tie our currency to gold. I just want to discuss this very important topic and what it does to the currency. And I was discussing with my friends, my older friends that lived through Nixon, lived through, you know, why we went off the gold standard.
A gold standard, yeah.
I want to discuss it as far as if they're going to transact in gold, in ruble. So looking at this chart, the ruble is going to get stronger against the dollar. Is that correct? Is that a fair?
Well, let's pull it up. So which one is it here, Peter?
It's the USD RUBLE.
RUBLE. I don't see LE here. I see LTV
or something.
USD.
You pull up.
Okay, we can. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it looks like it's going down versus.
Yeah, see, the dollar gained strength
Mhm.
against the ruble, and then now it's falling hard against the ruble.
Okay, let's do a daily time frame here. Now, Russia has been really buying a lot of gold for years. They've been doing that. Russia and China. Let's see here.
Is this a temporary move now they're on the gold standard, or will we see the dollar fall even more against the ruble?
I don't know.
And this is for
That's a chem question. We need chem right now.
well, just looking at the chart, it looks like it's in a markdown phase.
But who knows how long that will last, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh boy.
Right. Look at that strong move. Like after, because they declared that March 28th that they're going to go on the gold standard. So they either you pay for their oil with gold or you pay them in rubles. So they're removing their currencies against the US dollar because they can't transact in dollars anymore. So they have to, so they peg it to the gold. So in history, has any country done that? Just make a quick decision. Hey, we're going to tie our currencies to gold.
That hasn't happened in, that hasn't happened in a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I seen that they announced
it's been always been pegged to the dollar, and not the gold standard. So this is, I didn't know this happened. This happened today?
No, it happened last week.
Oh, okay.
Starting last Monday, the 28th, Russian central bank officially pegged the rubles to the gold. I think 1 gram or something per gram equals 5,000 rubles.
Okay.
I was gonna say that last week around that same time. That's the reason why I guess the U.S. is going to their oil reserves now. We're tapping into our oil reserves probably because Russia basically said you either pay us this way or no way. Yeah.
So that's why we're thinking, okay, one, we sniper trader, we got into the gold mining, GDX. So they're announcing they're going to buy more gold. What's going to happen to our oil prices? It's been falling for the last couple of days. It fell under $100.
Yeah, and right now in the futures market, gold is down. Gold is down, silver is down. So we're not seeing a move higher, but that's, that's just the futures market. Gold is at 1923 right now. Silver's at 24.
What does the chart look like for the gold and silver? Is it a markup phase? Are we range bound?
Let's take a look here.
It's range bound.
Still range bound. Yeah, and this is the daily time frame here, so it's been range bound for a while.
Support holding. Looks like support is holding.
Yeah. And investors have been, really the individuals that trade gold and silver, they usually do it more long term, but silver, I mean, they've been disappointing. Let's see here.
To me, that pattern is called a falling wedge, and a falling wedge is a bullish pattern. So it's basically reaccumulation phase.
Yeah, they're holding support right here.
Holding, that's a bullish pattern. Yeah. That price is falling, doing a little falling wedge.
Yeah. So this will be an important area here.
Yeah,
so,
if that
right here. And that is at that, and this is silver now. So that is at 24. Yeah, right. Really where it is right now. Right now. So, but currently they're selling a bit of it, not, And let's see here. If you look here, so you know, we always have to go to the chart, right? So that's why I don't, care for the news so much. But I would watch this area here, Peter. If you're looking for a move, right? You need to break this. Yeah. So here's your wedge. Here's your wedge, your triangle here. All
Yep.
right. Here's your triangle here. So it's you can expect a big move.
Right. We were trading the gold before, and then we got out of it because it gave us a sell signal. So we're looking at a break of resistance to go back in.
Yeah, but you're talking about with sniper. Now, keep in mind, right? Keep in mind that move is just a quick move, right? So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Just saying before there was it was another gold trade,
Oh, yeah.
and then we held it for about a week, and then I got back in, and it gave us a sell signal, so I got out, took profit. So I'm looking at another trade.
Oh, okay.
Since we have like the ruble is going to be tied to gold, they're going to buy more gold.
Yeah. What was that symbol again? We traded. Oh gosh. Let's see.
I know this Friday we traded GDX. We got
Yeah.
into.
I'm talking about before that. What was the previous trade? Was it gold? It was gold. GOLD.
It was GOLD. It was bear
Oh,
gold, right?
Yeah.
it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the gold bear axe.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was the symbol.
Yeah.
So I'm looking to gonna go back into that.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what the, that's gonna, I mean, looking at the chart.
I have a history of trading, so like basically the history. Like, have any country made a quick decision, say, hey, we're gonna go on the gold standard? This is a precedent, right?
I think, yeah, I haven't. It's been no. I mean, I haven't heard of any.
Yeah,
I haven't heard. It's been a long time.
I mean, we haven't experienced a real war since the Korean War or the Vietnam War. So
yeah. So this is why this wouldn't. I mean, I would trade it. And we don't trade the ruble on TradeStation. But if you were to trade it, let's see here.
it's good that you lost your trace engine for a day. You get to practice a little bit.
I absolutely hate this. I absolutely.
But no, dude, we get on Trading View and figure it out.
Yeah,
Okay.
I am
Oh.
absolutely in the dark. I'm absolutely in the dark. And I see what traders go through. But
You
I
actually
mean,
have-
if you use this every day, then you know how to use it. I don't.
Yeah, I use this every day. So
Yeah. So here is the move here.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty big move that's on the daily time frame too.
Oh.
That's on the daily time frame. So they're really selling it.
Yeah. For me, looking at this chart, the trade is over. I mean, going up is over, going down is over.
Yeah, yeah.
I just anticipate a strong pullback. That's I see that.
It would be okay, so you guys have trade stations. A few of you guys have trade station. What is what are you guys seeing any moves in so if you look at your trade station on the left, Are you guys seeing like a pattern of where volume is pushing this evening? Either in the and Daniel, you had mentioned the New Zealand pairs. Are there
Yes.
is there a group of okay? So the Aussie, New Zealand, are they all blue? Up?
No, no. It's 2 and 2. It's like the Aussies. It's like half and half. 2 blues, and 2 reds. That's
Okay.
how the Aussie is right now.
And the
then
New Zealand?
the New Zealand is 1 up and 2 down.
Okay. So okay. And
So
how about
right
the
now,
yen?
the yens are all the yens. Oh wait, the yens the CHF JPY is still up, but I could see that going down in a few.
And the
But
rest are down? The rest are down?
yeah, the rest are down.
Oh, okay.
But the ones that are trending right now, the top 5 that are trending right now, the CHF, is that what is that? The Chinese CHF?
Mhm. How about
J-
how about the dollar pairs? What are the dollar pairs doing?
the dollar pairs right now, there's 3, 4 of them up and the rest are down. The newest up is USD CAD. That's the newest one that just made a new up.
Okay.
So that one looks like it's about to break broke resistance to buy. It gave a buy. Well, it didn't give a buy signal to 240 yet, but it is a new up right now. Like it's about to give a buy signal.
Okay, so with the dollar, I'm trying to figure out if there's a move in the dollar, because of what Peter is looking at.
Okay.
Yeah, so the dollar pairs, how many are up?
It
4 are up.
Looking at USD CAD, it's just range bounding. It's just accumulation.
Yeah.
Okay, but on the radar there, how many dollar pairs are up out of all the pairs, all the dollar pairs?
4, and then the rest are down.
Okay. Okay, so that would, so guys, so that goes right along with here. So look for a move to the dollar short. So look for the dollar pairs, right? So all the dollar pairs, and I can see, so, Daniel, do me a favor, go through each dollar pairs and let, on the short side,
Mhm.
and let me know if there are any new signals on the 240,
Yep. Okay.
on the 240.
Yeah, dollar pairs. If there's any sell signals, you're saying?
Yeah, sell short signals to go
Got it.
short.
Yep.
That are
On the
new,
30 minute
that
or
are
is
very,
240?
yeah, 240.
Okay.
Just the dollar pairs.
Okay. Checking in right now. Let's take a look. USDTR. The USDTRY gave a signal. This was on this is no, never mind. That was no, that's not. That's March 29th. Is that still early? March 29th, it gave a sell signal. Right around what Peter said. It was a big long engulfing too, by the way. So I guess he's right when that happened and the dollar like went down. Big engulfing on the 29th of March, 240.
Okay.
Let's take a look.
So, but it does have, so dollar TRY has a
Yep,
sell
it has
short.
sell. Yep,
Okay.
and then also the USD Singapore dollar.
Okay.
USD Singapore also gave a sell signal on the 30th, the next day. It gave a sell signal.
Okay. That's on the 240, right?
Correct.
Okay.
They all did it at the same time, as well as the 29th USD Swedish as well gave a sell signal. So they all basically gave sell signals. Yeah.
This is around the 29th.
Yeah, around the same time that Peter said last week.
Okay. Okay. So that's the trade, guys. That's the trade. The dollar pairs short. All right. So that's the move. That's the move that's happening. You don't have to trade their ruble, right? You can trade the dollar pairs because TradeStation doesn't have the ruble. But that is the move. So Peter, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. That the dollar is they're pushing it. They're definitely pushing it. Take a look at anything. Usually the euro pairs will also follow the dollar. You see anything in the euro pairs or the pound pairs to the downside?
Let's take a
Daniel?
look. Euros. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, the euros, we have 3 new downs.
3 new down. Okay.
Yep. 3 new downs. It looks like euro pound is about to give a sell signal any second. Well, any one of these days.
On the 240, right?
Yep, euro New Zealand as well looks like it's about to give a sell signal too. Looks like it's going down. Yeah, so the euros are kind of following too.
Okay.
It looks like.
Okay, yeah. Usually the dollar pairs make a move. The euro pairs will follow. Sometimes the pound. What are the pound pairs doing? There's not really a big correlation. Sometimes the pound sometimes will do its own thing.
Let's see. Let's take a look. The 28th of March, it gave the pound USD.
Well,
give
just give, or they there's only like 5, all right, 5 or 6. So,
yeah, so 3 downs and 2 ups.
okay, so don't worry about that. The euro pairs, how many are down?
All of them except 3.
Okay, very good. Okay, so guys, watch the euro and the dollar pairs. I would look for opportunities in the dollar pairs first, right? The dollar pairs first, short, and then look at the euro pairs. Okay, and that should match up with what Peter is thinking here, because that's a big move here. That's a big move. Let me take a quick look here. Hold on, I can pull this up here also. Let's see here. Which dollar pair Daniel gave a recent buy signal?
USD CAD.
USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. Oh. Holy crap, I hate this.
Hey, David.
Uh-huh.
When I
Hey,
look
Stella.
at the USD CAD, my monster scalper on the I don't know, it just says new up.
Oh,
Maybe, yeah, because I'm on it on monster scalper short and it says new up. It's blue, so I'm not sure if
and you've got a buy signal?
there is no, I have a white arrow, so
Okay.
on the 240, it looks like it's in consolidation.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I think Peter mentioned it was consolidating. Dollar
Okay.
CAD was consolidating.
Okay.
Okay, I guess the theme is just short dollar. Look for opportunities on the dollar pair short. All right. I would look on the 240 and also on the 30 perhaps 60-minute also. You guys can find some opportunities. And then as a second option, the euro pairs. Okay, the euro pairs. I apologize for this, right? But I think this is a good lesson. For me, I'm in the dark, right? And hope it's you want to be able to take just a blank chart, right? If you were just looking at a chart, right? Bring in your support and resistance and kind of figure things out. Okay, but this is just an example. I know for me that I'm in the blind without all my screens, without trade stations, without the buy and sell signals, without support and resistance and all of that. I'm just in the dark. All right. So
Hey, David.
yes.
Yeah. So when finally your trade station comes back up,
Yes.
because when I go through like all the dollar pairs, with, on the 240,
Mm-hmm.
when I go through all the dollar pairs on the 240,
Okay.
on the short, the Monster Scalper short,
Yes.
it seems to me, and maybe when your trade station comes back, you can like educate me.
Okay.
It seems to me that since the sell short signal, they kind of went short and now they're going back into consolidation. Like I'm just clicking on one after the other, and it just seems like the sell signal came, they went short, and then they kind of reversed a little bit into consolidation. So I don't know if that's still a good time to go short.
Which
or-
which pair? Which pair?
So I'm looking at, I was just kind of clicking through them. Yeah, so for example, like USD, the Singapore dollar, this SEK, the NOK, which is actually like in an uptrend now.
But they're mostly I can't do this.
HUF, yeah, so it just seems like the sell signal came, they dropped, and then they're coming back up. So
Okay.
on the 240.
On the 240.
Yeah.
Okay. So they're just retracing a bit, pulling back a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But no sell signals yet. They're still holding their sell short
No
signal.
news. Would there be a new sell signal before there's a, what do you mean by sell signal? Like
well,
the white arrow?
Well, you in the short, right? You in the short
Yeah.
screen? Okay.
Mhm.
So they've
Yeah.
got the red short sell short signal, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. So they're still holding the position, no exit yet, no white arrow.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You're right. Yeah. No exit yet.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So would you say that's a good time to enter a short position?
Okay. So if you're
If they're
not
retracing?
if you're not in it, not in it, wait. What
Okay.
color are the candles? This is crazy. I love this. No, I don't. No, I don't. But it's good. I mean, it's good to kind of play with this, right? So what color are your candles?
So I have some that have a white candle.
White candle. Okay, so they're definitely consolidating. Okay.
Mhm.
So I would wait for this on the 240. So wait for a red candle to close. Then
Okay.
you can get in.
Okay.
Yeah. So wait for the sellers to come in, let it pull back, right?
Yeah,
Let it
yeah.
pull back, and then wait for it to close, right? Close with a red candle.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
All
you.
right. All right, you're welcome. Sometimes you can get in, let's say the candle, it moves. Just remember, when they pull back, if you go in short, right? You go in short, red candles should be red candles, then white candles, right? Neutral consolidating candles, right? Whenever you get a red candle, that seller's coming back in to push the price back down. So that's good. If you get a green candle, just stay away. Okay, if you're not in, all right. A green candle would mean that it's breaking a resistance, right? You got buyers in, it's going to be testing a resistance, breaking a resistance, and then you can anticipate a sell signal to get out of that short. But if you get a red candle come in, right, kind of like here, I mean, it's hard to do it on here, but I'll try my best.
Hey, David, it's
Uh-huh.
okay. It's okay to fly blind.
No, it's
now,
not.
now you know how we feel, like
Oh my
as traders
goodness.
sometimes.
Oh
Hey,
my goodness.
if this is for other people who use TradingView, there's something called a Heiken-Yashi, and I can show you how to change the chart into where it filters out all the noise. You just have, yeah, it's right next to the.
Peter, I don't plan to use this ever.
I know.
again.
It's just for the other people that use TradingView.
Okay. So where do I go?
So right next to that 4 hour,
Okay.
to the right of it, yeah, you
Okay.
click on that candle, right?
Okay.
Click on, and then go down to the middle and it says Heiken-Yashi.
Okay.
And that will filter out all into one steady red, one steady green.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It filters out all these noise.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Now,
Heiken-Yashi.
how do I make how do I make it larger? The scale, how do I scale it? Okay, there it
go
is. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is.
on the
Okay.
numbers. On the,
Okay. Okay,
but look
that's
at there's a looks like trading unit.
yeah. All right. So let's bring in silver. Look at silver here, right? So selling here in that silver. Okay, but yeah, it's making that wedge. It's making that wedge here, right? So here's that wedge, right? Let's say right here, right here. So anticipate a breakout, right? That triangle, always anticipate a breakout when price is squeezing in that triangle. We got support right here. I want to pull up some of the dollar pairs while we have this. This looks better. So Stella, which was the pair that you said would pull back? Which pair did you say kind of pull back? Retrace the bit.
So USD CHF is one.
CHF pullback. Okay. Okay. 1 second here. USD CHF. Okay. All right. Here we are. Okay. The buy signal.
HUF too.
No, this just one is fine.
Okay.
Okay. So the buy signal came in where? Stella.
Came in on 329.
Okay. So 329. Okay.
329, and the arrow is around like three.
No, what's the price? What price?
Three. I think it's 334.910.
On dollar Swiss?
Oh wait, which one? Oh, sorry, I'm on the wrong one. I moved on.
Oh,
Let me
okay.
go back. Okay. Yeah, it came in on line just below 6.36. Wait, what are you on?
Swiss, dollar Swiss, dollar Swiss. Oh, I can pull another one.
All right, yeah. It's at 0.92612.
92. That's where the sell short signal came in. Okay,
And
so
then it went short after that. Yeah.
okay, so 992.
Like 92610, I think.
92610. Okay, so right here. Okay,
Yeah.
so it gave the sell short signal right here.
Yep.
Right here. So it's
Yeah.
pulling back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you've got to wait for a red. Well, it's got green it's got white candles now, right?
Yeah, so it's the newest candle is like a really like light red, but yeah.
but it's red. It's red.
Yeah, and then you usually have two lines, so it's just above the lower line.
Okay,
Yeah,
but it's still
just
red.
above it.
It's still red, right?
Yeah, this one's still red. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I would wait for the price to come back down. If you wanna, you can look for a break of support
Mhm.
right here, kind of like right here. So you just want, if it's red already,
Yeah.
you just want the price to come down, kind of test this area in here to get in. This is on the 4-hour time frame, right?
Yes.
Okay, so bring up your I would have your 30-minute ready.
Okay.
Okay, and then wait for a sell short signal. So rather you can watch this here, but get your signal, okay, on the 30-minute.
Oh, well, the 30-minute is doing something totally different now. So it had white candles and then now it's green.
Does it have a sell short signal?
No.
Okay, so wait for a sell short signal.
Okay.
Yeah, wait for a sell short signal on the 30-minute. All right, so that 30-minute, that sell short signal, selling on that 30-minute will bring down that 240. Okay, that's gonna bring down that 240, and then that way you'll have an entry, because you have a buy signal, a sell short signal here already.
Yeah.
You just want to time your entry. Use that 30-minute to time your entry. You can even use the 15-minute too. So if you're doing it early in the morning where volume is really coming, that 15-minute will help. Okay, you won't get a lot of noise because you've got real movement coming, but try to stick with the 30-minute. That will help. So that will be your entry. Whenever you guys see this like this on the 240 and you're not in, right? You can time it on that 30-minute, and just wait for a sell short signal. Okay, because your trend is down. Your trend is down. All right, you're in the markdown phase. You're just looking for an entry. Okay, that makes sense, Stella? That makes sense, guys? Okay. Okay, kind of like this here. You're looking for price. Price came down, moved up, came down, retraced. All right, came down again. So we can anticipate that price will come down again, but on the 30-minute, you'll get a signal, time your entry perfectly. Okay. And if it doesn't, right, if the 30-minute doesn't give you a sell short signal, guess what? That means price is moving higher. Then it might give you a buy signal to the long side. And I would just wait on that. You don't want to take that yet because you're still in the markdown phase. Okay, but I'll give you some clues. All right. Does that help, Stella?
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
David, I had a quick question.
Okay.
I was
Hey,
just
Tracy.
looking at the sniper trader now. I'm getting a little confused here. So I just want some clarification. Like sometimes on the chart I see a white arrow, but will not always see a blue or red arrow with the white arrow. So I'm wondering, do I look at the white arrow or am I looking strictly at the blue and the red arrows for buy and sell signals?
Okay, for a sniper, right, we don't use the chart yet. Okay, so your chart's gonna change. We want the chart to change on tomorrow, Monday. Okay, so our entry is not based on the chart. Okay, remember we get in. So when we do sniper trader, guys, that's not based on the chart. Okay, for your entry. All right, it's not even based on your chart too much for the exits. Now, if you want to continue to trade, right? If you want that trade to, and for new traders, I wouldn't recommend that. For new sniper traders, don't do this. Okay, Peter is good. Peter's been doing this for a while. he can use the system, and he does some other stuff where he might keep the trade longer. For you guys, for new sniper traders, we're gonna get in on Friday and get out on Monday. Okay. And then as you get better, you can use, once you find a trend on the 30-minute time frame, green candles, markup phase, you can stay longer in that trade. Okay, but we don't want to do that if you're new. Okay, it takes a bit, because you have to understand those options will expire. All right, they expire. There's a time element to them. Okay, so you can practice using the chart, but don't stay in. Don't stay longer right now. If you're new with sniper, just get out. When we send the alerts on Monday, just get out, close the trade.
Right, but like when I'm seeing the white arrows in the charting, like and they're like up or either it's pointing downward, is that a factor, or that's just saying that you can expect and buy signal to come or expect a sell signal to come? Is that what the white arrows are showing?
Well, the white arrows sell. That's a sell. That's an exit. Okay, so the white arrows exit. Blue is buy to go long. White is exit. Red is short to go down.
Okay.
And exit
I
also.
got you.
The white arrows always exit, whether it's long, whether it's long or short, it's always exit.
Okay, that clarified things. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. The white arrows are always exits to get out of the trade. All right. Any other questions? Anything else? I would say, what I want to say is I absolutely hate this. Peter, you use this in addition?
Do I use TradingView?
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah.
This is what I was doing before your system. Just the Heikin-Nashi trading views every day, 5 hour, 5 minute, 10 minutes, futures, everything on TradingView.
Yeah.
But not cheap.
Yeah. Some traders love it. They love it. But all right, guys, I tried to help you guys out with this. I tried. So hopefully I should have a TradeStation up tomorrow. They're closed right now. Hopefully that should be all ready to
David,
go.
spoiled by system, spoiled.
I am spoiled. Yeah, I am so spoiled. I am really in the dark.
This isn't drawn out for you.
I know, right? I know. I have nothing here. Oh my gosh. But anyway, it's good. It's good because for me, I'm glad that I have this system. So I mean, could you trade? I could trade this. I didn't know about this here. What is it called right here? Right here. I didn't know about it. This helps. This certainly helps right here.
Yep. Yeah, when you did your trading station, that is like, this just reminds me of Heikin-Nashi.
Yeah, that really helps.
It filters out all the noise. Like when it helps you stay in the trade.
Yeah.
Do it on the 5 minute, 10 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, you could absolutely make this work here. Let me see here. You could absolutely make this work. Let's see here. I'm trying to find. Yeah, here is, look at this. You could make this work. Here is resistance. Here is support right here. Mark down, hold on. I'll end with this, right? Look at this here. Failed resistance, right? Failed resistance, pretty good resistance. Coming back down, right? You could trade it down to here. But I'll stick with TradeStation. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Just keep an eye on the dollar pairs, dollar euro pairs. All right. Look for opportunities. Things is, look for opportunities on the 4-hour time. If you're not in the trades, look to time your entries on the 30-minute time frames. Okay, 30-minute time frames. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'll have everything up and running with TradeStation tomorrow. Okay, thanks for being patient with me. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.
See you, dude.